Yay! Good job, Sherry Berries. Did you take a bow? All right. Encore. You know what that means? It means we want to see more. Can you do it again? You're all done?